Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the UPOW 20-inch hedge trimmer blades. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So getting these out of the box, I'm not going to show you the install or anything like that. Just want to show you the blades up close so you can get a feel for kind of what they look like, how they'll connect, all that stuff. So you'll see the edge here. Your connection point, beautiful looking, two different pieces with different, kind of levels there of cutting capability. I'm going to flip this over. Just give me a second here. I'll make sure I cover up the UPC code. Great looking, space in between so that it works properly. Not much really to kind of explain here other than to show you what they are and what they look like, and that they are a simple replacement. So hopefully this little short review helps, and worth buying. They look super sharp, and I'm excited to put them in use. Thanks for watching.